morning, everybody. We are Team Tools of Graphics, and here is the assignment given us to us.
So Abhishek, tell me, what do you think I am passionate about?
I think you are very much passionate about some technical skills like backend development and solving problems like data structures and algorithms. As well, you are a very good sports person. I seen you playing volleyball for district level in your school time, and you are a very good fitness enthusiast person.
So Aish, tell me, what qualities make me a good friend?
So Shivam, talking about you, I've been with you since my starting days. So he's the first person I have met in the college. So since that time, we have really done a lot of things together. We have done a lot of goals, we've done a lot of chaos as well. But I think that's the one main thing we will great friendship.
So Khushi, tell me, what are the strengths of Aish Mehta?
So Aish Mehta is a good listener. Apart from that, he has a really good communication skills. Apart from that, he has a very helping nature. He loves to help others, and also.
So Ayush, how do you describe Abhishek's personality?
Abhishek has been my friend for a really long time now, and I think he's really helpful, a really charming person, and he can really help us out when we need him. I can call him at midnight and he will always pick up and help me. And I think he's a great person. He just needs to work little on his communication skill. A general communication within a group is better than working on a team.
So Ayush Negi, what subjects or topic does Shivam Noni seem most passionate about?
As per I have seen, Shivam Noni has great problem solving skills. He is really good in our core subject like data structures and algorithm. And in our lab subjects, I have seen him working really hard. All the questions which teachers are providing, he is actually working on them, finding some algorithms to solve them. And rather than chit-chatting and gossiping like other students, I think he is really good in the specific subject we are in, the core subjects.
So Abhishek, how does Khushi handle academic challenges or difficult subjects?
I think I've seen Khushi from the first semester. We are together in the same class. So I've seen her solving problems and many other questions. Like we always solve some problems in our group. Sometimes we get some assignments. So she's a very good problem solver.
So Khushi, do you think Ayush Negi balance academics with extracurricular activities? If so, how?
Yes, I think Ayush is a multitasker. Apart from the academics, he is really good at rapping. From how far I know, he has participated in many extracurricular activities, which includes rapping. He likes to rap. Apart from that, he likes to write also. And apart from that, he also likes to beatbox.
Shivam, if you have to predict my future career based on my academic personality, what would it be?
I think Ayush, you are so passionate about teaching, and I think you should become a teacher because I have seen you teaching some topics to other students and they are able to understand that topic. So I think you should be a teacher.